In this video, you'll learn how to use the gallery view feature in Notion. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully created a visually appealing gallery view for your pages. Start by opening your Notion workspace. Once you're in, navigate to the page where you want to create the gallery view. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection to avoid any loading issues during this process. If your internet speed is slow, it may take longer for changes to reflect. Next, type the name of your page in the designated area. This step is essential as it helps you organize and identify your gallery later. After entering the name, press enter to confirm your input. You should see your page title appear prominently on the screen. After that, type in /gallery view in the content area. This command prompts Notion to recognize that you want to create a gallery layout. As you type, a drop-down menu will appear, suggesting options allowing for quick selection. Once the menu appears, click on Gallery View. This action will initiate the gallery view setup. You will notice a change in the layout of your page, transforming it into a gallery-ready space. Then click on New Page within the gallery view. This allows you to create a new entry that will be displayed as part of your gallery. A blank page will open, giving you the opportunity to customize your gallery item. Now, type in the title of this gallery item, just like before. This title will help you keep your gallery organized. Press enter to save the title and continue. At this point, you have the option to either press enter to continue with an empty page or create a template for your gallery item. If you choose to create a template, you can set specific formats, making it easier to add more items later. Next, type in /image to add images to your gallery item. This command allows you to include visual elements that enhance the appeal of your gallery. As you type, a list of options will appear. Click on Image from the list. This selection will prompt you to either upload an image from your device or choose one from Unsplash, a free stock photo service integrated within Notion. If you want to use Unsplash, click on the Unsplash option. A search bar will appear, allowing you to find images based on keywords. This feature is useful for finding relevant images quickly. Choose an image that fits your gallery theme. Once selected, the image will load and display on your page. Make sure the image is of appropriate size for your gallery to maintain an organized appearance. After selecting the image, click on Add Cover to set it as the cover for your gallery item. This action will visually enhance the item in your gallery view. Next, choose the cover image that you would like to display. You can select from the images you uploaded or any available images from Unsplash. Proceed by clicking on Settings located in the top right corner of the page. This menu provides various customization options for your gallery view. Now, click on Layout to adjust how your gallery items will be displayed. You can choose from different layout styles depending on your preference. After adjusting the layout, click on Page Content to customize what information appears within each gallery card. This allows for greater flexibility in how your gallery items are presented. Next, click on Page Cover to modify the cover settings for your gallery item. This option helps you further customize the visual aspect of your gallery. If you wish to hide the cover image, click on None. This will remove the cover image from your gallery item, allowing for a cleaner look if desired. After making your adjustments, click on Page Cover again to finalize your cover settings. Ensure that the cover aligns with your overall gallery theme. Now, click on Card Size to choose the size of the gallery cards. Adjusting the card size can help in creating a cohesive look across your gallery. Finally, you have successfully created a gallery view in Notion. Your gallery will now display all items in a visually appealing format, making it easy to navigate through your content. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.